This is the Ford Mondeo key fob. To open the key fob up, you need a flat blade screwdriver. Prise it open, and this thing comes apart in 2 bits. Now the next bit is really easy. You just undo one of these sides with your finger, and there you see the battery. It's really that easy. The battery is a CR2032, which you can buy from many places, and you just replace the battery if your battery is dead. If your battery is not dead, you can test the battery using the voltmeter. This is a voltmeter. I'm going to set it to the voltage range. I'm going to set it to 20 volts. I'm going to test the battery and see what we get. You can test the battery on these 2 points here, these 2 terminals, and the battery is reading 3.1 volt. I'll show you that in a second. Volt. There you go. So that battery is good. I don't need to replace it. Putting this thing back together is just the opposite. So click that in, and turn this back on. And let it go. There we go. And clicks back in. That's it. Job done.